Is Canada still worth traveling to in 2026? Thinking about visiting Canada in 2026 but not sure if it's still worth it? With rising travel costs and changing global trends, it's a fair question, don't worry. In the next 3 minutes, we'll break down whether Canada is still a top travel destination in 2026 and what you can expect if you go. Let's get into it. Why do people visit Canada? Canada has always been known for its natural beauty, diverse cities, and high quality of life. From breathtaking national parks and mountains to vibrant urban centers, there's something for every type of traveler. You can explore outdoor adventures, cultural festivals, food scenes, and world-class attractions, all in one country. It's also considered one of the safest and most welcoming destinations in the world. What's changed in 2026? Like many countries, Canada has seen some changes. Travel costs, including flights, accommodation, and daily expenses, have increased. Major cities can be expensive, especially for short-term stays. However, infrastructure, tourism services, and digital convenience have improved. From easier online bookings to better public transport in key cities, traveling is more efficient than ever. Plus, Canada continues to invest in tourism, making experiences more accessible and diverse. Is it still worth it? Here's the short answer. Yes, it absolutely is if you value stunning landscapes like mountains, lakes, and forests, clean, safe, and well-organized cities, multicultural experiences, and friendly communities, then Canada remains one of the best travel destinations in the world. The key is planning wisely. Travel during off-peak seasons, explore smaller cities, and budget ahead to make the most of your trip. How can you make the most of your trip? Here are a few tips to maximize your travel experience in Canada. Book flights and accommodation early for better prices. Use public transport or travel passes in major cities. Mix big cities with nature destinations. Try local food and cultural experiences. And always check visa or entry requirements before you travel. A little preparation goes a long way. And that's whether Canada is still worth traveling to in 2026, explained in under 3 minutes. Despite higher costs, the experience, safety, and natural beauty make it a destination that's still hard to beat. For more tips on traveling, living, and moving to Canada, follow MDC Canada. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.